Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new here. My name is Nicole and this is The Simplistic Home, and here on my channel I share all things simple living, affordable decorating, and thrifting. And in today's video we are going shopping for fall decor at Target. So I absolutely love looking at all of the seasonal decor that Target always has out, but fall is always one of my favorites. The first section that I went to was the Hearth and Hand section. That's generally my go-to for home decor whenever I shop at Target, and they had some pretty good things to choose from. So there were some things that I noticed that were from years past, and they also had some brand new stuff as well. So anyway, a lot of my favorites were the blankets, the pillows. They also had some pretty kitchenware as well. And in this video I won't be talking a whole lot. I'll basically just be pointing out all of my favorites, and I tried my best to show you guys the prices of things. So if you have any questions about anything, let me know down in the comments down below, and let's go ahead and jump into this shop with me. Some of my favorite items that Hearth and Hand always has out is the kitchenware. I always love their linens, their table runners and napkins, and even their plates and mugs and all of the things. They always have a really good selection of those things. If you are big into hosting and whatnot, then definitely check out the Hearth and Hand section at Target. They do not disappoint. They always have a variety of items that are perfect for serving, especially a large crowd or whatever size crowd that you're having. They always have a lot to choose from. So I tend to always get their dish towels and things like that. I always love them. They are really good quality and really great prices as well. And it looks like this year for fall they like to incorporate the rust color and the navy. And you guys know, if you guys have been here for any amount of time, that I really like to incorporate the blues into my home. So I really liked that fall take on the navies and the rust for this season. Another section that I liked looking at for Hearth and Hand was the florals. So they had a good selection of fall florals. I absolutely loved those really large picks right there. They would be perfect in one of these amber glass vases. So they had a good selection of vases this day. The day that I went shopping, it seemed like my Target had just recently stocked everything up because nothing really looked like it was touched, which was super nice when I was filming. But they had a variety of sizes in these amber glass jars. They had a large, medium, and a small. They were all different price points, so really good selection of items if you wanted to make your own arrangement. And they also had little vessels that were more of like a bud vase style, and those were really good prices too, and they had little picks to place in those as well. I always love looking at all of the candles in the Hearth and Hand section. So they had a variety of jars and whatnot that they were in. They had those brass and kind of bronzy style jars. They also had some that were more of a crock style with a plum color and a rust color and even a brown as well. And again, those were all different price points too, and they all smelled really good, so you can't go wrong with whichever one you choose. But they just had a lot to choose from. They also had a few different wreaths as well. They had this more wheat looking wreath. They also had a eucalyptus wreath that you guys will see a little later in this video, and they were pretty good price points also. This is the eucalyptus garland that matches the wreath that I'm talking about. I think that this is so pretty. It is a 6-foot garland and it was $24.99. I don't feel like that's too bad. This was actually really pretty and definitely would be a fuller piece, especially once it's fluffed up. So really good quality garland. And then they also had one that was more of a natural green take that had some yellows and oranges in it. It is this one. It's the same size. It is 6 foot and $24.99 as well. This would be perfect on a fireplace mantle, or if you wanted to go all out for a tablescape, that would be a really good choice. But now we are moving into the threshold section, and they had a lot to choose from as well. I did notice that I've been to Target 2 other times since I have last filmed this video, and they did bring out a few more pillows, but what they did have this day I thought was really good. So I thought that these pumpkin pillows were super cute. I think these are pretty popular this year. And I also believe they are a Pottery Barn dupe. Pottery Barn has them for like $50 and Target had them for $20, so that was quite the deal. And then also these really large oversized pillows were pretty. Those were $30. They also had a variety of throws and other lumbar style pillows and whatnot as well. So if you're looking for some fall throw pillows and blankets, check out Target. They had a good selection. This little arrangement here was my absolute favorite. I did not buy it, so I actually do not have a haul at the end of today's video, but I have went back to Target multiple times, like I said, and I have my eye on a couple of things. I'm still just debating if I want to buy them or not, and that arrangement is one. It's so pretty, and it's $20. But anyways, Target also had a variety of candles out as well in the threshold section. So they had different styles of jars that they were in. Some were shaped like pumpkins, some were just your traditional candle jars, and they were all different scents and they smelled really good. So if you're in the market for some fall scented candles, check out Target. They had a variety of price points too, anywhere from $5 to $20, I believe. And then they also had a ton of pumpkins, so all different shapes, sizes, and colors. They had more of the natural looking colors, so as you can see, this one, that's more of a cream. They also had some rust and brown, and also the braided pumpkins as well. I really love this magnolia wreath, and if you have seen my fall home decor haul, then you know that I have a DIY magnolia wreath, and I'm going to be sharing that in an upcoming video. I have several fall DIYs that I'm wanting to share with you guys, one of them being a magnolia wreath, another being a really tall fall tree, and then I have some pumpkins that I'm wanting to DIY as well. So be on the lookout for that video. I'm hoping that will be my next one before I decorate for fall. But anyways, Target also had a really good selection of that golden mustard yellow color, so I believe that that is a pretty popular color this year. I know I'm incorporating that color into my home this year as well. So if you're interested in that, definitely check out Target. They had a pretty good selection of things and they all matched. So they had different size arrangements already made up, wreaths. I believe they had garland as well. So definitely check that out if that is something you're interested in. There was a few Hearth and Hand things that I missed, so I wanted to show you guys. One of them is this blanket. It was $44.99, and then like I said, they had a matching eucalyptus wreath to that garland I showed you guys earlier. So here it is, very pretty. I love that you can mix and match, or you can just match everything in the Hearth and Hand section. You can't really go wrong either way, but this was really pretty, and it was a pretty good size, so the price wasn't too bad. And this little piece here is something I've had my eye on for months now. It's actually been a part of the threshold section by the wall decor for a while. I think it is like $25, but I thought that those would be really pretty if you had two of them kind of stacked on top of each other on a wall or something. But moving on, we are going to be going through the rest of Target basically and just showing you some of my things that I wanted to point out to you guys that I feel like you could incorporate into your fall decor. So first thing would be those blankets. They also had some table runners that had the navies and the rust in there. Also, there's some natural jute ones as well. And they had rust placemats. They also had some leather ones. If you're into that, I think those are pretty as well. So you can't really go wrong. Definitely check out all around Target because you can mix and match colors and things like that and just really incorporate it into any season if you chose to do so. Because I enjoy this scent so much, I had to show you guys the seasonal Mrs. Meyer's for fall. They had apple cider and also acorn spice at my Target, and Grove Collaborative also had some as well. They had some apple scents and also some pumpkin as well. They had dish soap and hand soap, so I always like incorporating those seasonal scents into my home. But anyway, the last spot that I checked out was the Target Dollar Spot. This one was fully stocked this day, so they had a variety of little pumpkins. These were $3 a piece. They also had some garlands, some little arrangements, and then they had some vases and picks that you can make your own arrangements with as well. The vases, I believe, were $5 a piece, and then all of the picks that I saw were $3 a piece. As always, you can count on the Dollar Spot to have tons of pumpkins to choose from. So they had some that were kind of like a sweater material, some that were more of a suede velvety material. They also had ceramic ones and some that were kind of a straw material. So again, these were all different price points. Some of them were $1. They had some for $3 and then the larger ones for $5. So this day I did end up picking up a couple different pumpkins. Again, I don't have a haul in today's video, but whenever I do my Decorate With Me videos, I will point out to you what came from Target, so stay on the lookout for those. But yeah, they just had a lot to choose from, and I just thought that it was really nice to see a variety of pieces. Fall is one of my absolute favorite times of the year to decorate for. I just love incorporating all those rich, warm tones into my home. As you guys know, I love the earth tone palette, so fall is just right up my alley. It incorporates pretty much all of those colors that I like to use all year round, so I just make it a little more festive whenever I incorporate my fall decor. But if you guys enjoy these simple living, affordable decorating, and thrifting videos, also the shop with me style videos where I hit up all of the very popular retail stores and just show you guys my favorite finds or just show you what they have out. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell notification, that way you're notified every time I post a new video, and be on the lookout for all types of fall decor videos coming from me. I have some decorate with me's coming very soon. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.